Hey guys, today I tried Blend 5.0 beta. I have to say it's amazing. It has so many new features, including geometry nodes, compositing, and UI change, and other new features I didn't have time to explore. Today I will share my experience about the geometry nodes. There is the geometry nodes asset, which is amazing, I think, because I used to use Cinema 4D to design the like industrial equipment animation and some graphic design, graphic motion design. There is like a function called it's called clone, and I can't remember now. With the new geometry nodes asset, it has similar functions. Although it's not as good as Cinema 4D, but I can see the future. It makes the motion graphic design much more easier than before. So let's begin our tutorial today. So let's go to Blender 5.0 beta. And I think the official version will come soon, like next month, I don't know. Let's go to geometry nodes and press new. And I think I will drag this here. Drag this. And go to asset browser. And drag this line here. Yeah. So there are many, I think I can't say many. There is some. It's not a lot, but very useful. First, I think a lot of people introduced them. It's array, curve to tube, and scatter on surface. These three is very useful. So let's try. So array, we put it here, so we can see array very similar to the old array. And then let's make a more, no, not like, yeah, you can see this. You can see it's instance. You can realize, then you can check this here. You can not realize, then it all depends, and it can randomize, merge. And you can also find then here, modify, it has generate, it has a new array, and where is the curve to tube. So you can find also in modify. Why I think it's like important and very useful is that you can modify then here. Realize I will unclick this. I want then add the instance. You can see here 3 geometry, their instance. So if I add a node, translate here, you can control them. So if I move them up, up is the direction, I think. And we need more counts, like 10. 10 is enough. And there is a node that I will introduce it later, but here I will use it. It's a selection, box selection. Put it here, you can see. In Cinema 4D, there is a similar function like this. I only know the Chinese name, but I don't know the English name. It's like this selection, this box selection. It's like a box over here. Let me draw. It's like a box over here, and you can change the size. If it's bigger, like this X direction, you increase it. You can see. This is a big improvement that Blender didn't have before. You can make this in geometry nodes before, but it's not that convenient. This is super convenient, and it can bring you a lot. And second, let's try curve to tube. And this is You can also try it in modify. But here I will show you. So here I needed to have a curve here. Let's find a curve. Arc, spiral. Let's try spiral. Connect here. So we have a curve mesh here. It's mesh, it's not curve. And then here we can try like custom, and we can try geometry. So you can like connect the spiral here. Let's check what we have. We have this. And let's check the cap. So you can try. It's very interesting. It's very useful, I think. And the next, we have either scat on surface. It can put like this instance on the surface, and here it has objects here, or have collection objects, depends on you, and you can choose the geometry. And I connect the input here. You have these cubes, and you can change the density like 1000, and you can input 10, and the distribution mask there, and the seeds, very useful, I think. Offset, I think maybe we can use that to make the like belt animation. I will try. I make that before, but it's I think it's complicated. And yeah, this is the instance on surface. Very good function, very convenient. And next, let's go to geometry. So we have operation and selection. Operation, we have displace geometry. We have the modifier here, displacement here. I think where is it? Deform. I don't know. I can't find it. There is a displacement here in modifier, but we have it in geometry node here, so we don't have to use like a set position and define something. So it's here. It's convenient. So it has normal and vector. Vector you can define like a vector. So here let's try noise. Okay, let's try noise. Noise texture. So it's offset vector, and I think it needs more subdivision. So here subdivide mesh. Here let's try 4. And connect. I think the noise we need to remember that it's always above 0. So we need a map range to vector, color, vector, and from yeah, this is right. You can see. Okay, yeah, upper left front is all right. I think maybe need more subdivision, and maybe we need a math like a moment scale 0.1. So you can change. You can check this. This is the displays, very useful, or the normal direction you can see. Just to define what you want. No, I will not save this. And if I like define this value as 1, so I will introduce you another node here, smooth geometry. Before we will use set position and balloon attribute to make it smooth, but they combine this. If we double click, you can see balloon attribute and the position and the set position, they are here. They just combine it as an asset. So it's convenient. You can connect here, and iteration 5, it looks like this. That's great. That's convenient. It saves a lot of time. So let's go to next. And the selection. Oh, go back. Let's check. Yeah, they all have selection displays and selection. So we have 3 selection: box, normal, and sphere. Box, normal, and sphere. So box is like it defined a box, like I said, and inside the box it's affected by the function we designed, and the sphere is like it has a sphere here. The normal is like it will check the direction. This normal between the direction you provided, like here is the direction. There is the angle. The threshold is the angle. If the angle is like the angle is inside the threshold, it will be affected. So let's try. So put it here. You can see. So everything is outside, I think. For now, we can't check the shape of this box selection. Maybe in the future they will make this function, but for now it doesn't have. So if we change that, oh, I already see that. So make it bigger. You can see this place is affected. Make it bigger. It's affected. So the sphere function is similar. Let's connect it to sphere. So radius. Yeah. And then the normal. Check the normal. Threshold. Check the threshold. Change the threshold. Yeah, it changed. So it works like this. And let's delete that. Let's go to next. Next is here. No, we will not talk about here. The instance, this node is similar to another node. Let's drag it here. And there is a randomized transform here. The instance element is different to scatter on surface. Because scatter on surface, it will distribute points on surface. So if you have, let's have scatter on surface here. We click inside. Okay, so many nodes, I can't find it. It must have a distributed points on surface node. So delete this. We have instance on element. So this one instance on points, we need like more points. I should delete subdivision mesh. Okay. So it's very similar to scatter on surface node. Very similar. Only difference is here. It has go back. It has points, edge, faces, and corners. It has 4 like mode. And let's change it to geometry, so you can connect the geometry to instance like this. And you can scale it. Let's find how to scale it. Transform, scale, yeah. And we give it a value. Change it to 0.1. Yeah. So let's random transform. So here is a random transform. You can see the input and output is the instance. So here let's check if it's instance. Yeah, it's unclicked real-life instance. So it's instance. You can check here. Check this table. You can see there is a 19A. Yeah, 19A instance. So here we can like rotate them randomly. You can see, yeah, move them randomly, flip them. Yeah, the face can be flipped. I don't know where I will use this function. And scale them, yeah, uniformly X. Yeah, you can just try. It's very useful in motion graphic. Okay, let's go to next one. Is the mesh. I think mesh East has read. So there are, see, I will drag them all here. So if you can see that I will zoom in, you can see there are many layers on the bottom of the node, many layers. This means it's an asset. It's combined by many nodes. So if we double click, you can see inside. It has these functions. And if you want to, what is this node used for? You can go to right click online menu. You will, the Blender has prepared a menu for you. You can check the menu about the functions. I don't know if I will use them in the future, but Blender have it. That's great. So I will not introduce them here. Maybe I will use them in the future. And here is a normal. You can see normal is that only one asset is smooth by angle. You can, if we put it here, subdivide, maybe I will. Okay, I will have the I think displace node here. And let's define vector. Let's noise. Okay, just like this. It's okay. Just for test. So we can smooth them. So if I change the angle, it doesn't change anything. So if we click ignore sharpness, you can see. It's like smooth. Actually, it just changes the normal on the surface. So this node we have a modifier here. Smooth by angle. They are the same. So if we click, you can see it has many layers on the button. So we click inside. You can see these nodes we have introduced in our tutorials before. So if you are interested in this node, you can find my tutorials I made before. So this is simple and very convenient. And if we go to utility, we can have, you can see many nodes. You can see these nodes, they are not for geometry nodes. If we drag here, it's not working because it's for compositing. This one is for geometry nodes, and this one is not. This one is yes, this one is not. This one is yes. And this one, yeah, only 4. And these 4 nodes is about some attributes for sphere and cylinder. You can see it has R radius, find the angle, Z the height. I don't know where I can use them. Maybe in the future, but Blender has it. I think maybe in the future I will use them. So these are the assets Blender has updated. So I think the most important and the most useful is array and scatter and curve to tube. And I think displace the smooth is very important, and selections and instance on element randomize transform, they are very useful. If your job is mainly about motion graphic design, I think these nodes are a great help. Okay, this is today's tutorial, and I hope this can help you. It's very simple, and I didn't dive deep in that. Just introduced. There are nodes that can help you. You can dive into them. So maybe in the future I will introduce them. Okay, thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.